Yo, what's up? It's me, Zark. For today's video ay ituturo ko sa iyo kung papaano mo mapapalaki ng sobra ang mga buttons ng iyong GTA Sam. Yung sobrang laki at pwede mo pa ma-adjust ang mapa, di ba ang astig? Kaya kung interesado ka, simulan na natin.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of
Kayo na bahala sa gusto nyong controls.
I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless.
Konting paalala lang, eto buttons na to, ito ang fire button sa game.
See a message for eternity for everyone.
Sa button naman na ito ay recommend ko na wag na lang galawin, or liitan mo na lang.
Looking nervously and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better. See, I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad.
Kapag natapos na, sundan mo lang ito.
I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch.
Bali, i-click mo ng 2 beses yung save.
Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Coming out with a statement. You really changed, man. All your music and arrangement. You don't know shit. Shut your mouth. You can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes. Positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back.
Kapag nagawa mo na yon, pwede mo na i-open ang iyong GTA Sam. Bago mag-end ang video na ito ay isasama ko na rin ang wallhack. Para naman sa wallhack ay swipe down ka lang, tapos i-click mo ito, katapos makikita mo to, i-click mo lang.
There's things I can't seem to let go.
Sa nakikita nyo ay naka-activate na ang wallhack. Kung gusto mo naman ito tanggalin ay mag-reload ka lang at wala ito. Kung nakatulong sa iyo tong video na ito ay baka naman pakiclick ang like and subscribe button. Yun lang at maraming salamat sa panonood.
I know I get mad,